Malacanang assures that it will not allow the people to suffer unjustifiable price hikes. Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma gave this assurance in the face of the Meralco power rate increase that is now being tackled at the Supreme Court. Rocky Ignacio reports.
Malacanang reiterates government's commitment to protect the welfare of Filipinos against unjustifiable power rate hikes.
Hindi naman papayag ang pamahalaan na maganap ang mga kaganapang yan na wala namang katuwiran. Dahil ang tungkulin ng pamahalaan ay pangalagaan ang kapakanan ng mga mamamayan.
Malacanang issued a statement amidst Meralco's petition to lift the temporary restraining order issued by the Supreme Court stopping the power rate adjustment.
The President also believes in enforcing the provision of the APIRA on possible disgorgement of profits if current investigations by the DOE and the DOJ will establish that there has been collusion among the industry players. Most importantly, government believes that unjustifiable price hikes should not be passed on to the people. Therefore, the proposed petition for the lifting of the TRO is not consistent with the public interest.
President Aquino earlier assured the public that there will be no rotational brownouts since the country has enough supply of electricity. The President also directed the Energy and Justice Departments to probe the alleged collusion among power producers following the Malampaya shutdown for maintenance.
Hindi lang naman gobyerno ang merong accountability sa ating mga mamamayan, yun ding mga negosyo that are imbued with public interest also have public accountability. No? So sa aking palagay, hindi naman dapat humantong sa takutan na sila ay mananakot at ang gobyerno ay mananakot din. Sa isang maayos na demokrasya, katuwiran ang ginagamit at hindi pananakot.
Malacanang added that the government has enough mechanism not to disrupt basic services for the public.
The DOE and the DOJ are pursuing their parallel investigations without any interference from the office of the President or from any other office. Because we want an objective and impartial determination of the facts so that the proper conclusions may be reached. And that these conclusions will serve the public interest.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.